What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today what I'm doing is I'm hitting y'all with a pretty cool unboxing. What we're going to be getting into is the Air Jordan 3 SEOUL 2.0, because keep in mind, these just dropped. I believe it's on May 17th on sneakers for the US, a week or so earlier for other regions outside the US. So I believe Asia got these a week before us, some retailers there. But basically what we're going to be doing is unboxing this pair, showing y'all everything it comes with, because man, this is a unique pair of threes. I could definitely see this making some progress just for the fact that, I mean, you got the box is crazy. The sneaker has lots of unique details itself. It wasn't a pair with massive stock. I mean, it had decent stock, and you saw a lot of manual dubs. But I think, again, after a lot of people sell off their pairs, right, like this will be one that will eventually become a little bit harder to find. But we'll get into that. Again, this is mainly just focused on a box and the sneaker. We could discuss the resale down the line if y'all want that. But let's get into it. If y'all want more content like this, then hey, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and like down below. And let me know if you guys got lucky and copped this pair for retail. I did not cop this pair for retail recently because I missed the drop when I was packing Whatnot orders. So hey, make sure y'all check me out on Whatnot down below. This is why I missed the drop. I was packing orders here. So I literally set a reminder and everything. I checked it at like 9:55. I was like, all right, in 5 minutes, check your phone. And I just put my phone away and forgot about it. Like, I feel like, have y'all done that before? It was such a dumb mistake, but I did it. But you know, we did get a pair here. Had to pay resale on them, so it'd be like that. I do have some other ones on the way though, so stay tuned. Again, check out those lives down below. We're going to be definitely running some pairs on Whatnot soon. And you guys can also check out my group, Resell Vision, my IGs, any of that other stuff down below if you guys are interested. We posted some pics for these today on my Instagram, and Resell Vision, we're going to have some more deals coming tonight, so stay tuned. Everybody in there going to be getting back to messages in there as well. I think I got a few, so I'm going to be getting back to it. But that's it. I hope y'all will enjoy, and why don't we discuss the Air Jordan 3 SEOUL 2.0 and what this pair looks like in hand. It's nice. So again, the first thing we can start with is the box. As y'all can see, the red Jumpman in the center, and of course kind of like the sky view right here. Y'all see the clouds, blue sky box. I really like that. Again, this is a cool detail. I think this is definitely one reason that this sneaker could make progress, is just for the box alone. Very cool. But aside from that, as y'all can see, what we got right there, the size tag, got my personal size right there. I might have to see if I fit these, because I might need a 9.5, but I think 9 should work. It's gonna be tight, but you know, it should work for me. But aside from that, what we got right here with this sneaker, so taking a look, right, there's actually a couple things. We'll get into the sneaker in a second, but I actually want to show you some of the box details we got. So I might keep these for the collection. I don't know. If I end up keeping these for the collection, I'll let y'all know. I mean, check that out. Isn't that cool? Look at the mismatching soles. Come on now, that's dope. But let me show you all a couple details. So first things first, these also come with a ribbon, as you guys can see. So you could tie that, I believe, to the sneaker around the laces, or just for another purpose. So that's one thing that we got. I also think that this was supposed to like tie around the wrapping paper or something like that, but that's not how mine came. So aside from that, what we got right here, y'all can also see the wrapping paper right here, or just the paper for the sneakers. Check that out. Very unique. I thought that was another cool detail that we had. So again, you can just see the effort they're putting in this sneaker, from the paper to the actual shoes. There's lots of effort being put in on this sneaker. So aside from that, another thing I want to show you guys, right, is the actual shoe, because I mean, that's why you guys are here. So let me show you all the shoes. So first things first, as you guys can see, first thing I noticed, right, aside from, well, the Korean flag right there on the tongue tag, I mean, look at this. Y'all see that suede? Look at that. It's like a suede inside. I mean, look at that. Isn't that's really nice for a pair of threes. That's all I'm saying. So you got that red suede right there. You got some blue suede by the heel as well. Or I don't think that's suede. I believe that is it's like a velvet material, if I'm correct there. Let me know. But that's what it looked like, suede at first. But yeah, it's more of like a velvet material. But you can see that would be comfy. I mean, that would be mad comfortable to wear. So that's one of the main things I can say right off the bat is, yes, these would be comfy. I mean, you can just, if you get the sneaker in hand, feel free to just feel it right here. You already know that'd be a comfortable sneaker to wear. So yes, this is a nice pair of threes, 100%. Let's take a look at the Nike Air on the back. As you all can see, kind of like the aged sole look. And then of course we got that kind of elephant print right there. Going by the heel. It's not only on the heel as well. I'm just noticing that. Keep in mind, it's going all around the toe box. Y'all probably saw that on some of the early photos as well. And this is actually kind of like a hairy suede right here. So keep that in mind. Take a good look right there. That is actually a little bit of a suede material right there. So y'all can see that. And again, a nice sneaker. I want to show you all the soles as well. Keep in mind, take a look at that. Mismatching soles right there. Blue, red, and then blue, red. So, I mean, I thought that was pretty cool. Cool, excuse me. I don't know why I cannot pronounce my words. We also got, though, aside from the soles, got the Nike Air tag on them. You'll see this on a lot of Nike's retros nowadays. So, again, pretty classic detail right there. And here's like a good view of what the sneaker looks like right here. I mean, y'all can see that is a clean colorway, easy to rock. I know some people aren't liking like this kind of like aged sole look, but I really don't mind it, because you know, I mean, it kind of matches with these right here. I mean, take a look. See what I'm saying? Like it matches with those. So I don't really have a problem with it. I think it's fine. And this is also another main detail you'll notice. You can see the Jumpman is on this tongue tag, and then of course the Korean flag is on this one. So that's another mismatch in detail that we have right there. And of course on the inside of both these sneakers, right? I'm looking to see if there's any extra laces. Doesn't look like there is, but I will take another look to make sure I'm not missing it. We all can see the Nike Air, of course, right there on the inside as well. So that's another cool detail. Keep that in mind. And also, if we take a look right here, feel free to look. As y'all can see, we have some writing right there on the inside of the tongue tag of that sneaker. Hopefully that's focusing. I don't know if that will, but inside of that one. And then the inside of this one, so y'all can see that. Feel free to educate me, guys. Let me know in the comments what it's saying on the inside of the tongue tag right there. But that's just like a brief look at it, so y'all can see what it says right there, and then what it says right. Hold up. Let me fold that one out there. So yeah, feel free to let me know, guys. Educate me. I don't really mind bending the tongue tags. I'm probably, again, just going to keep these for the collection. I did pay pretty high on them, so it's probably just, a nice pair to keep. You know what I mean? Let me know. What do y'all think? Should we keep these for the collection? Feel free to let me know in the comments what y'all think we should do. But honestly, I don't mind holding on to them for a bit, because I definitely could see this being an expensive pair in a few years. It's one that they get, again, made a decent amount of, I think around 50K pairs, but it's not like massive stock, and there will be good demand for these over time. Again, you already know there's lots of sneakerheads in Korea. They're definitely going to be looking for this pair right here. So definitely some strong demand out for this sneaker right here, in my opinion. I think we just kind of have to see what happens. Let me not drop them, right? I'm just trying to give y'all a good view there. Yeah, let me not drop the sneakers, but let me know how y'all are feeling about these, right? We're going to get into some B-roll shots in a second, and maybe dive into the resale as well. Just understand prices right now are between a range of about 250 to 280, with some of the larger sizes going for a bit more. One's above 11 because they just don't make as many sizes. Keep in mind, this was a sneaker, right, that they mainly did overseas releases for. We got a small drop in the US, but there wasn't a ton of retailers with these. This was mainly like an Asia release focused sneaker, right? Because keep in mind, this is a Korea, 2.0 sneaker, right? Or SEOUL 2.0 sneakers. So, most of the pairs dropped in Korea. So they didn't make as many of the big sizes, is what I'm trying to say. Like, sizes 11 plus are a little bit more limited in these. So if you're trying to figure out what sizes to hold, I would just personally focus on the bigger sizes. That's my personal prediction. But again, this isn't really one I would look at as a whole. There's better holds right now, and sneakers going up right now. I mean, just think about some of those Travis Scott releases from last year. Velvet Rounds, Medium Olives, Canaries. That's what I'd be looking at personally. Stuff that's making progress right now, and over the summer will continue to trend up. But yeah, off topic, jeez. Let's do some B-roll shots for these, because again, this is a really nice pair, and I just want to show y'all everything that we got with these. So, I mean, check that out. Look at that. This is probably the main reason I like this sneaker, is that colorway. Look at that. I don't know, man. I might have to keep these. I'm going to keep looking at them, and, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it looks really comfortable, so I'm definitely tempted. So, we'll see if we end up toning them. We'll see what you guys say. If y'all want an on-feed video, please let me know in the comments. But, aside from that, yeah, let's just continue to unbox these and do those B-roll shots to show y'all what these look like up close, in hand, with the box, everything else. Let's go. So guys, that's pretty much what I can say about, well, this sneaker right here, the SEOUL 2.0. So let me know how y'all are feeling about this one. Again, I think the details go crazy. I mean, embroidered tongue tag. I mean, you got the velvet material right here, right? All around the sneaker. You got some hairy suede even right here. And this is a completely different material than this. I mean, it's just like, no, this is the same material. But yeah, it's just a lot of effort was put in on that sneaker. And you can tell, it's a nice colorway as well. Easy to wear in my opinion. So if y'all want more content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Sorry, I don't know why I cannot pronounce my words. Your boy has to eat some breakfast today, that's why. We went on the ground this morning though, you know what I mean? Trying to pack all those whatnot orders. Hey, all will be shipped by tomorrow, so shout out to everyone who tuned in on the show yesterday. Make sure y'all check out some of the upcoming ones. I'm going to be scheduling more shows tonight, but make sure you guys save and bookmark some of those upcoming ones so when I go live, it notifies you. Do not miss out on that. And again, give me your thoughts on this sneaker in the comments. I'm interested to hear if you guys copped a pair recently. Did you skip out on it? Are you looking to get some pairs right now? Again, I think in the big sizes, this is definitely a good bet. Like, this is a sneaker that they dipped a bit recently, but they're going to be 300 plus again and 11 plus pretty soon. I bet you that's going to happen a bit quicker than people expect, but we're going to see what happens there. Maybe I'll be wrong. And again, just a clean sneaker. I almost forgot to show. No, I did show you all the Nike here, back here by the heel, but clean sneaker all around. You really can't go wrong with it. But yeah, feel free to check my IGs down below, us at Resell Vision, any of that. Again, it's all in the pinned comment. I don't want to bombard you guys with it, but we did post pictures of these today, and we are going to be doing some pairs on the market soon to Resell Vision, as long as everyone stays in there and stays tuned with me, you know what I mean? But that's it, guys. We don't got too much more to say. So I'm Tristan. Again, we're going to put these back in the box right here, and let me know your thoughts on the SEOUL 2.0s. For me, it's a cop, 100%. I love these. So let me know if you guys got lucky on sneakers recently. I wish I just had kept my phone out and not put it away in my pocket and forgotten about the drop. Because I literally checked my phone at 9:55, put it away, and checked my phone again at like 10:12, and I was like, you know what I mean? Just like, I'm sure y'all have been there and done that, but I was just like, I really wanted these for retail, and I just like missed my chance like that. So mistakes happen is basically what I'm trying to say. Don't trip. All right, I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Catch y'all then. Peace.
X-Men,